This is the Cottonelle Ultra Comfort Toilet Paper with cushiony ripples too. And this is a Mega 6 family pack, which is the size of 27 regular rolls. And it is so squishy and ultra comfortable too. Let me show you a close-up of what you're gonna receive. Wow, isn't this big mega size? I told you. And it is so comfortable and soft and thick too. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of the toilet paper, and it also easily tears off. And look how thick it is. And do you see all the ripples? Very nice, top quality toilet paper. So soft and so strong too. Isn't this a mega size? And each of these rolls will hold 325 sheets of toilet paper. You know what that means, less toilet paper roll changes. And we all love that, right? So thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.